Panduit is a privately owned company that has been in operation for just over 60 years now. And the first product that we produced all those years back was a product called wiring duct, which was invented by the founder of the company. And in North America, wiring duct is more commonly known as panel conduit, and hence that's where the name Panduit was born from that terminology, panel conduit. Since then we've developed thousands of new innovative products that we've been able to take to market, to the extent now where we have over 900 products that have been patented, and we've been selling those products to the market since that period. From a resource point of view, we have in excess of 5,000 employees scattered across the globe in 112 different locations. And in India, we have a workforce, a sales team working out of our Bangalore facility who work in close conjunction with our distribution network to make sure that geographically across India, we provide adequate coverage to service the Indian market. So our strategy for India is primarily to make our products available and accessible to the Indian marketplace, and the way that we do this is via our distribution partner network. And then also, and by doing this, allows us to provide better value on our products to the marketplace. The other key part to our strategy is providing innovative solutions for the market, which address the customer's pain points. And then when we say customer, it is just not only the end customer itself, it's also considering our distribution partner and also the installer of our product, and making sure at Panduit we understand the pain point of all three of these partner community members for us, to make sure we address and we make it easy for them to do business and install product from Panduit. One of the recent developments as Panduit has been the new tagline brand campaign around meaningful connections. And why have we chosen meaningful connections? With the products and solutions that Panduit offer today, we address power issues, connection issues, and protection issues for customers who are involved in both city and government type projects. And we need the partner community, and we want the partner community to see Panduit as a trusted advisor. Because of the fact that we provide performance critical infrastructure solutions, which is meaningful for both the installer, for the end user, and for our distribution network. Some of our plans for 2018 will include running Panduit solution shows. Now in India, we're planning to do seminars with the focus on our ICMRO solutions, covering industry sectors such as rail infrastructure, transportation, and also the renewable energy sector. This we see will build on our existing business that we have today in India, which is our OEM sector, which has been in operation for over 20 plus years, as well as our Datacom business, which we've had a strong presence in for the last 10 years. One of the key recent advancements I'd like to talk about is actually as a result of talking to the industry and understanding the pain points within the industry. And one of the things that we identified at Panduit was with control panels and switchboards and the de-energizing of these units before operational work could be conducted on those, was to make sure that the power was de-energized to those units. And so to address that situation, Panduit has developed a unique product called Verasafe, which detects absence of voltage within that cubicle. So then at the simple push of this button, this product that sits on the door of the control panel, it will verify for the user that there is no voltage live inside that cubicle, which then makes it safe and easy for the installer to open the door and then start to conduct processes to do the repair work inside those cubicles. Panduit is the first in the industry with this new technology, and the product is actually patent pending. Recently just done the launch campaign for Verasafe into the North American market, which has proved to be very, very successful. And our plans are to release this product into the Asia Pac market in early 2018. I think India pretty much sums up what and why we do things at Panduit. Okay, the country is obviously on an extensive growth curve right now, and as the economy starts to develop, we see rapid urbanisation occurring. Industrial development needs to keep pace with this growth. Physical infrastructure and power and energy needs to develop, and this is where we see the opportunity for Panduit. For example, The core to keep the economy buzzing, areas like electricity, energy and power all need to be addressed. Electrical infrastructure as it's being constructed needs to be safe and needs to be working in optimal condition. As India continues its growth, Panduit wants to be involved with the design and the development of infrastructure, ensuring that we create longevity and performance of this infrastructure build. And the way that we would do this is by ensuring the ease and the consistency and the installation and the commissioning of this infrastructure build is done on a successful basis. Hence our plans in 2018 are to make our products accessible in the Indian market, introduce the mid-tier product range, retain the same quality promise that we offer with all Panduit products today, backed by our track record in areas of safety, certification and innovation. We are bullish about the outlook of the solar energy market for India. We know by the end of 2017 that the India solar market is going to be the third largest market in the world. It has an estimated new capacity for 2017 to touch around the 8.8 gigawatt level, which is a rise of 76% over what happened in 2016. And we're aware that about 12.4 gigawatts of new projects have been tendered for. The Indian government's commitment to renewable energy saw the price of solar energy drop. Price for solar energy dropped approximately 15% than energy generated by traditional coal-powered plants. The next demand growth for us in India is in the solar sector, and we see this occurring especially by the use of our high-quality products that Panduit has to offer. You just don't want more solar panel parts. In actual fact, you're going to need reliable parts for safe solar energy construction. Panduit is excited to partner with India to be part of your exciting journey in achieving your climate goals, in achieving clean, renewable energy resources.